if I leave tonight. We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the moon? Would you stay till the moonlight? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the moonlight? Till the moonlight, till the moonlight.
Welcome aboard this flight.
Before we take off, we'd like to run you through a few in-the-flight safety exercises.
Hi, everybody. In the next 3 minutes, we're going to work hard, work out, and get you fit to fly. Let's go! First, let's stretch it out and lose that baggage. Stretch it up to the overhead locker or slide it under the seat in front of you. Stretch and slide. Yeah! You're a giraffe! Now it's seatbelt time. When the seatbelt sign comes on, buckle it in. Grab, click, pull. Grab, click, pull. Nice and snug, low across the hips, but not too tight. And to undo your belt, just lift the flap. No sweat. Remember, you must follow crew instructions and light a sign. If your oxygen mask drops down, it's time to take a breather. Pull it down over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic tight, and then breathe normally. And remember, put your mask on first before you help others. Don't worry if the bag's feeling a little flat. The oxygen will flow automatically. Okay, now for the recommended brace positions. If there's an emergency during takeoff or landing, if you can reach, just lean and brace on the seat in front of you. Or, this is one of my favorites. It's called the duck. Flat feet, elbows outside your thighs, hands on your head, and duck on down. Now let's see where your life jacket's at. Down here, under your seat. Okay, everybody, do what I do. Out of the pouch, over the head, clip to the erect, tight, get those arms moving. This thread taken to your jacket, hook wings, step, 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 out high. If your life jacket's on air, grab the mouthpiece here, and low and low. Yeah, you're pumping it up. And if you've got an infant on board, the crew has a jacket for your baby. And sorry, this flight is strictly non-smoke. It's a safety hazard. So the captain says, let's kick butt. If the lights go out in an emergency and the lights come on down here, it's time to move. Look around and see if anyone needs your help. These lights lead you to the exit. Come on, everyone, let's pony! Your crew are now pointing out the exits. The nearest could be behind you. So count the rows and see. 2, 3, 4.
I'm on a plane full of crazies.
Stop broadcasting, buddy.
Don't think it's the first time someone's ever said that to me.
Electronic devices, even the cool ones, can interfere with our systems during takeoff and landing. So switch it off. Now, if you switch it to flight mode first, then turn it off, you can use it later in the flight. We're nearly done. During takeoff and landing, here's what we do. Tray tables back, seat upright, seatbelt on. Fantastic! If you need more information, it's on your safety information card. Now, you're fit to fly!
We hope you've enjoyed this safety exercise briefing.
Thank you for flying with us today. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down. Wanna be the first to know all of your deepest secrets. Gotta be the one who wakes you up before the next dawn. I wanna be close to you. I was always watching you. Every day I got to be you. Think I'm a new problem. So put a hand in mine. I will be there every day when the secret will burn. Gonna try to keep the pace, but someday we will find that the world has changed, but we stay true to each other. I will always be there for you whenever you need my help. Taking my time to be alright. Don't ever wanna be apart. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Cause we're flying colors now. Close to you, I'm gonna show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back. Yeah, you can count on me. Yeah. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Cause we're flying colors now. Cause we're flying colors now.
She was in love with a boy, in love with a girl, so in love with the world, so beautiful. She was in love with the night, the way the sun shines. All she needed was love, to have to hold, and nobody could make her feel down. She was always smiling from ear to ear, and everybody wondered if round will she ever know the feeling of tears? All she said to them was live your life just like you're young again. No, don't you cry, just get back up again. 'Cause if you wanna love to live it better, if you want love and stay together, if you wanna smile and be forever, she was the curious kind, to hate she was blind, always love on her mind, just come on me. She couldn't quite figure out what fear's all about.
MasterCard. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke from my cigarette. City lights up the fire, and I know this is my time. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so